As President Akakenkop announced that he was tested for COVID-19 yesterday and the results came out negative, the Minister of Health and Social Services, Kalumbi Shangula, also announced that there has been 2 confirmed cases of COVID-19.
While I was sitting here, I received a notice. The number of cases, there are 13. The number of positive cases now stand at 13. First is the wife, and then now is the husband and the child. So the husband and the child constitute now case number 12, and the child case number 11. I just received the notice now. Our medical professionals are doing great work to treat patients admitted for confirmed COVID-19 cases. The only patient who was admitted in the hospital tested negative on 2 consecutive tests and was discharged from the hospital on the 31st of March 2020. This is case number 3, who will soon be going to his home country as a healthy person. The other 10 confirmed cases, they are all in stable conditions. To us as a ministry and as a country, this is a great achievement and an important milestone.
The Minister of Finance, Ipumbushimi, announced a stimulus package of $8.1 billion that is aimed at supporting the various sectors as well as households in terms of mitigating the impact of the crisis.
Starting with the households, we are aware that people who earn their income from the informal settlement are no longer able to earn that income. Some used to sell tomatoes in the street corners, some used to be in the open markets, but they are no longer able to engage in these activities because of COVID-19. So we need to support the livelihoods of those people. So we are proposing an emergency income grant. We are going to restrict economic activities 21 days. That will amount to 750 Namibia dollar per person. When we talk to businesses, they are telling us that we may not be able to support our employees to the full extent. We may not be able to give them full salaries as before. We may be paying them 70% of their salaries. We may be paying them 80% of their salaries. We are proposing that because people are going to lose income, they should be allowed to supplement their cash flow with loans. So government is therefore saying that we will be able, if you are in that situation, we'll be able to allow you to go to your commercial bank, borrow money, which is 1/12, in other words, 1 month of your previous pay that you have paid to government, because you need to be in good standing with government. We are also proposing a loan scheme of about 500 million Namibian dollar. Now, this loan scheme is mainly for SMEs and all the non-agricultural activities, because I'm saying non-agricultural activities because we have a scheme for agriculture.
Kenkop said Namibians should not be selfish and take advantage of the grants and benefits that are to be provided by government to those in need.
Don't try to make use of this stimulus plan to cash in on what you can afford it. Let it go to those who are needy and those who would like to be helped, the business people who will be bailed out because they need that bailout. And those of us who can afford, let's hold hands and stay away. Let it go to the poorer people and so on. Please.
The Minister of Health said that there are over 270 people that are under quarantine, while his ministry continues to follow up on those that have made contact with those that are infected. While the Minister of Finance said that within their package, they will ensure that health practitioners can acquire equipment to fight the coronavirus. Reporting for Today on One, I'm Joseph Shifeni.